Another Fadiel system that's been installed into this Mazda CX-5 is voice command for auxiliary controls. So that includes indicators, lights, wipers, driver's side window, cruise control set and cruise control resume. As an example, turn right, turn left, beep horn, driver's window down. With the voice command in this vehicle, we've also got headrest indicators incorporated. So that's left indicator, that's right indicator. And then I can override that by saying turn right. So they both work in sync, the voice command and the headrest indicators.